Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can clear Google Chrome search history. Well, it's quite easy. So all you have to do is open the Google Chrome, make sure that you are logged into your account, and from here you can tap on this three-dot bar right here. So after doing that, here you can get the option of history. Simply tap on history, and then from here you can see all of your search histories. So you can simply manually delete it one at a time, just like this. If I just want this particular search history to be deleted, I can long press on it just like this. Then I'll get the option of delete, tap on delete, and here you can see the history has successfully been deleted. But if you want all of your histories to be deleted altogether, you have to tap on the option delete browsing data. So if you tap on this option just like this, here you can see the time range option. If you tap on it, you can select which history you want to delete. So if it's the search history from last 15 minutes, you can select it, or if it's from the last hour, you can do that, or you can simply tap on all time. And here, if you tap on the browsing data option, here you can see the browsing history option, tabs, cookies site, cached image, files, and saved password. So if you want all of these data to be deleted as well, you can select it. But if you don't want it, you can deselect it by simply tapping on it just like this. Here you can see I only want the browsing histories to be deleted. So I'm going to tap on confirm. Here you can see only browsing history is selected. So tap on confirm. So after doing that, here you can see we have selected the time range and the browsing data. So all I have to do is simply tap on delete data just like this. And here you can see I have now successfully deleted Google Chrome search history. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.